Ensalada de Repollo. Cabbage salad. A side dish from Costa Rica. Serves
You will need
4 ingredients. Step 1. Dice whole cabbage very finely. Step 2. Dice tomatoes in small squares. Step 3. Combine cabbage and tomatoes, sprinkle mixture with vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Step 4. Add salt to taste. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.